we'll go with what is the other chapter we supposed to do? Fractions we are in. Integers we completed, right? Integers we completed. We'll start with fractions. What are what is the strength of the day? Today you attended online classes, right? What is your strength? What is your strength? I want from first Adrit. What is the strength of your class today for online classes?
42.
42. What fraction of students were present for your class? What is the total strength, beta? What is the total strength?
Ma'am, if
you just give approximately you.
Ma'am, 44.
Yes. 44. Out of 44, they joined, 40 students joined, as you said, right?
No, ma'am,
right?
42.
42 joined. Oh, very good. 42 joined. So, what fraction of students are present for today's online class? What fraction of students are present for today's online class? Yes. What fraction are present for online class? Fraction of students present for online class.
Ma'am, it means 42 by 44, right?
Very good. 42 by 44. Good. What fraction of students present for online classes means? Fraction means you are representing in the form of numerator by denominator. What fraction of students are absent?
2. And 2 by 44.
Very good. It's 2 by 44. Good. It's 2 by 44. Now, these fractions, what type of fractions? These 42 by 44 and 2 by 44. These are what type of fractions?
Proper fractions.
Very good. Very good. These all are proper fractions.
But they're also like fractions.
Very good. Very good. Who said it is like fractions? Yes, very good. Very good, Sritej. Those are like fractions. About Sritej, I'm coming to Sritej right now. Sritej, as you said, these two are proper fractions like 42 by 44 and 2 by 44, right? Yes, so is it easy to add these fractions?
Yes, ma'am. Because they have the same denominator.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Yes, it is easy to add the fractions since the denominators are same. Suppose I want a question from Shivram. What is your strength? What is the present fraction of present for today's class? What fraction of students present for your class?
Ma'am, 28.
28 is present out of?
31.
Out of?
31.
51. Very good.
No, ma'am,
so
31.
Here, $31. How many are present, you said?
28.
My question is, what fraction are present?
Ma'am, 28 by 31.
28 by 31. This is present, right? What are absent percent?
Ma'am, 3 by 31.
3 by
31.
3 by 31. Right. Same thing, just we are doing the same here. We can add these are like fractions beta. Denominators are different. These are like fractions. Here also, if you see, these are denominators are different. These are like fractions. Suppose present percentage.
Denominators are same, I'm not different.
Sorry. No, that's okay. Like is okay, fine. Going to unlike, going to unlike fractions. So in Sri, what is Adrit class? Their present for the day. Fraction of students present for the day is 42 by 44. And coming to the part of other student here, Shivram is 28 out of 31. These two are what type of fractions?
Unlike fraction.
Ma'am, unlike fraction.
Unlike fraction.
Why?
Ma'am, because they have
denominators are not same, ma'am.
I mean, they are proper
Denominators are not same.
also.
Very good. Suppose I want to add these fractions. How I supposed to add this?
Ma'am, by taking the LCM.
We need to find the LCM
of the both the denominators.
by taking the LCM.
Very good. Very good. Finding the LCM of denominators. You are really good children, because I want to make your concept little closer. So LCM. How to find LCM? Any doubt anywhere how
Teacher,
to find LCM?
by multiplying it.
By multiplying. Okay,
Yes,
suppose
by multiplying the both numbers.
LCM of 2 and 3. Here LCM of 2 and 3 means directly you are multiplying 2
3
3s are
6.
Because they both are prime numbers.
What is LCM of 2 and 4?
Teacher 8. Teacher 8.
Sorry, who said 8? Who said 8?
Is it 4?
Very good. It's 4. Why it is 4 in this case? Why we are not multiplying the product here?
Ma'am, because they are not prime numbers.
Because they are not prime
Like 2 is
number.
divisible by 4 and like 4 is the greater number.
That's very good. That's one thing. And here 2 multiple is 4. The greater number is the LCM. This is one number is multiple of other. Then the greater number is the LCM. Which is the greater number here?
4.
4.
Suppose the same concept if I am asking, what is LCM of 3 and 12?
And 12.
Very good. What is LCM of 5 and 10?
10.
10. Very good. What is LCM of 15 and 25?
25. No.
Yes, see, my students are not given correct answer. They're still thinking. What is LCM of 15 and 25? Why different we are taking different. Some cases we are multiplying, some cases we are taking.
Ma'am, it's 75.
Greater number. Very good. Who said it is 75? Why? Because 15 and 15 table 25 won't come children directly if you want to take. Of course, 5 table 5 3s are 5 5s are. Both are prime numbers. You can make as 5 into 3 into 5 5 5s are 25 25 3s are 75. It's the LCM in this case. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. This is very important point you need to remember, children. Before doing addition or subtraction of fractions, you need to know LCM part very thoroughly. If both denominators are prime numbers, then you can make a product to get your LCM. Then if both one of the denominator is multiple of other denominator, then greater number is the LCM. Now, both are either not prime numbers, either not multiples of other. That time you have to go with your traditional procedure, how you are doing your LCM. What is the traditional position to find the LCM? This is the method. If you don't know any method, you can go with this method. Nothing I don't know, ma'am, in my mind. Suppose I'm asking of LCM of 45 and 30. What is LCM of 45 and 30? Go with the traditional method. Make divide with 5 table. 5 5s are, 5 9s are 45. 5 6 are 30. Again 9 and 6 will divisible with 3 table. 3 2s are. Now 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30, 90. Very good. Who said 90? Very good. Absolutely correct. Right, Sritej. These are the basics to do your addition and subtraction. Hope am I clear today's session, right, children? So that we can move to the addition of fractions. Addition of fractions. Very, very important, children. Very important addition of fractions. Because you won't, this type of fractions, you never leave children, because in your calculation part somewhere, today when I'm teaching my class 8, I'm teaching squares and square roots. The students, the question is there, even though they're using squares and square root concept, still they have the part of fractions. Of course, they're perfect with the square roots. If they are unable to do the fractional part, they may miss that marks, right? So that is why fractions is a chapter, very important chapter for you. In addition of fractions, so in addition and subtraction only you need to find out LCM, children. In multiplication and division, no need. Multiplication is more easy for you. You can simplify if any cancellation is there, any common factors are there in numerator and denominator, and rest of the part you just multiply and write it. And coming to division part, you're just making the reciprocal. I'll go with one by one now. Today I am going with addition of fractions. Shall I start addition of fractions?
Yes, ma'am.
Videsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
The sum of two fractions is 3 by 5. How the question, I'm not giving direct way, children. The sum of two fractions is the sum of two numbers. Generally, we know that numbers, same thing applicable for fractions. The sum of two fractions.
Ma'am, 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5.
The sum of two fractions is 3 by 5. The sum of two fractions is 3 by 5. If one of the fraction, if one of them is, if one of them is 7 by 12, find the other fraction. Find the other fraction. This is a question we already learned in your lower classes, but we are not doing for fractions. Generally, suppose sum of two numbers is 15. One of the number is 3. Find the other number means what you will do, children, to find out the unknown number here.
Ma'am, LCM.
Teacher, 15
No,
minus
this
3.
case
15
minus 3.
15 minus
3, which is you can go, because it is natural numbers, you can subtract. Suppose the same, please apply the same thing here. Sum of two fractions. The sum of two fractions is 3 by 5. One of the fraction is 7 by 12. Find the other fraction. To find out the other fraction, unknown fraction, what you should do? To find out unknown, which one I should subtract? Which number I should subtract? From where I should subtract?
Ma'am, we have to minus 3 by 5 from 7 by 12.
3 by 5 from 7 by 12, or 7 by 12 from 3 by 5?
7 by 12 minus 3 by 5.
I'm extremely sorry, that's wrong concept.
Then 3 by 5 minus 7 by 12.
Very good. 3 by 5. The result is 3 by 5. You need to subtract the first number, right? Very good. Very good, Sriram. Shivram, good. Now 5 and 12. What is the denominators here? You go with the denominators. What are the denominators?
5 and 12.
5 and 12. What is the LCM of 5 and 12?
Ma'am, 60. Ma'am, for 12 and 5, 60.
6.
Very good. Why it is 60? Why it is 60, Deepika?
Ma'am, because 5.
Yes, agree. Someone is telling, please. Why it is 60?
Ma'am, because 5 12s are 60 and 12 5s are 60.
One is a prime number, another one is a composite number. There is no common factors, right? There is no common factors. Directly you can make a product. Product is the LCM, because this is prime number.
5 into 12.
Yeah, 5 into 12, which is 60.
Yes,
now this is your LCM, children. To make denominators as the same, like 60, what number?
We need to
Denominator
multiply.
first.
We need to multiply.
We multiply with what number?
Teacher, the same number with numerator also, which we are multiplying with denominator.
Yes, numerator and denominator. Very good.
Same.
Very good. Whatever the number you supposed, 12 5s are 60. So denominator is matched. So whatever the number you are multiplying changes, whatever the number you are happening here, the same number you should do for numerator also. Okay. Now go with 7 by 12. Now denominator is 12. This denominator should be
Teacher, 12 into 5, 7 into 5.
12 into 5, 6.
very
into
good.
5 is
12
30.
into 5, 7 into 5. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
Ma'am, now we should
Good.
subtract 36 by 60 minus 35 by 60. It's 1 by 60.
Excellent. Excellent. I want, what is the value of 2 into 3 into 12? 3 into 12 is 36. 36 by 60. Here 7 5s are 35 by 60. Now these
One.
two are
1
like
by
fractions.
60.
Now these I can subtract. I can subtract the
It's 1 by
numerators
60.
and I can put the common denominator, which is 1 by
1 by 60.
60. Very good, children. Hope it is clear. Shall I
Yes,
give
teacher.
such a questions for you?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
ma'am, of course.
Come on, children, please make it fast so that we'll go because we have many sums to do.
Ma'am, can you tell the last part once again?
Nana, Ashwath, where, beta?
How did you do 3 into 12, ma'am?
3 into
That part.
12. Okay, good question. Our first fraction is 3 by 5, right? 5. Denominator is what? 5.
Yes,
Our
ma'am.
LCM is 60. To make my denominator 60, what I should multiply?
Okay, ma'am.
Hope you understood better. To make
Yes,
my denominator equal to LCM, what changes I should do? That should be think in your mind. So 5 is denominator. 5 should be multiplied by 12 only. I'll get 60.
Teacher, I have noted. Finished.
Okay, fine. Good, good. Today, in the online classes, my pen is not working, children. You people are so fortunate. My Aishwarya joined the class. I did not find Aishwarya. Aishwarya, are you there, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hope you understood. Children, please put thumb up if you understood. If not getting, please let me know. In the chart, yes, I can see Sritej, the Shivram, Hidri, right? Aishwarya, everyone. I did not get from Deepika. Okay, Deepika also, yes. Good. Ashwath, right. Ashwath, right. Adrit, right. Okay. Okay, fine, children. You are very excellent students. You are very good students, children. Now, shall I give 3 bits for you? Can you do those sums?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Ma'am, should we type in chat?
Yeah, you can do it, and through chat box you can type it better so that I want to search for the. Let me think the question. Suppose here is a recipe like a pasta. Pasta is a recipe. It requires 2 by 3 kgs of cheese. How much cheese it requires? 2
2
to
by
3
3.
by kgs. How much pasta can be made from 21 kgs of cheese? How much pasta can be made from 21 kgs of cheese? What I should do in this case? Let me, children, don't worry. If not getting also, don't worry. I'm here to help you.
Ma'am,
But
can you
you
write the
people,
question?
right, I'll write. Shall I erase this question, Ashwath?
Yes.
Ashwath.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, 21 by?
Shall I erase this question? What is there on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone wrote in your books, children. Please, every day, whatever the sums, either one sum or two sum or three sums, what are the sums we are practicing, that sums should be in your book.
Ma'am, done I
Because
Teacher, 21 by what?
you people should be little responsible, children. In offline classes, your teacher can take care. But we are in online classes. You should learn many things. You should be little helpful for me. You should be responsible.
Teacher, you told 3 by cheese is required to make a pasta.
Huh. 1 minute.
So
I'll
how
help.
how much pasta can we make from?
How much pasta can be made from 21 kgs of cheese?
Okay, teacher.
I'll write on the board, children. Wait a minute. I'll write on the board. A pasta recipe, or else this is general question, children. I'll just prepare for myself the question. It's a recipe. Is a pasta recipe? Yeah, I'll write, children. Okay, my pen, some trouble today. It is giving continuously. I need to buy one more pen also. A pasta recipe requires a pasta recipe requires 2 3/4 kgs of cheese. 2 by 3, children. This is not a 2 3/4. 2 just a minute. Give me a minute time, children. It's not what?
Teacher, you can text it. Up options are there.
1 minute, Nana. What is the else? Shall I'll dictate the question. Please write down the question first.
Teacher, it's coming
Meanwhile,
next.
a pasta recipe requires 2 2 by 3 2 by 3 kg cheese. 2 by 3 kg cheese. How much pasta can be made from 21 kg cheese? 21 kg cheese. Hope you wrote the question, children.
Yes, teacher.
Come on, think about the question. What is
kgs?
21 kgs? Using 21 kgs, how much pasta can be made? A pasta recipe requires 2 by 3 kgs of cheese approximately, or it requires 2 by 3 kgs of cheese. How much pasta can be made from 21 kg cheese? What you should do? In this case, what you should do? First, think about the procedure, children. What we supposed to do here? That's more important. Whether what I should.
Teacher, first we need to convert 2 by 3 into improper fraction.
Very good. Very good.
After that we need to
Ma'am,
divide
then we
it.
should multiply
After that
it
we need to
into
divide it. After that we need to
Very
divide
good.
it.
Divide. Who said the division? Very
So,
good. Very good. Very good. It's
Sir,
division better.
so-
It's not multiplication. It's
Ma'am, is
division.
mine correct?
Yes, it's division. You gave answer through chat box. Let me check.
teacher,
Don't give answers directly, children. Oh, sorry, Sritej. It's what is the sorry? It's not the correct one, because suppose to make a pasta, you need 2 by 3 kgs of cheese.
first we need to
Ma'am, is
convert
my
it.
correct?
You
Teacher,
have
first
20 kgs cheese. How many pastas there? How much pasta can be? How much pasta can be?
Ma'am, how much kg of cheese do we have?
How much pasta can be made using the 21 kgs of cheese? That is the question.
Teacher, do we require 12 1 by 9?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question one more time?
Teacher,
Yes, ma. Yes.
teacher, we require
Yes.
12 1 by 9 kilo of cheese.
What is the answer? What is the answer?
12 1 by 9.
Sorry. Check once again. Check once again, beta.
Ma'am, can you tell the question one more time?
Who said sorry? Even one of my student agreed said wrong.
Teacher, but first we need to convert it into improper, no?
That is correct only. What you said is correct. Convert should be very important.
So, teacher, after converting 3 to 6, 6, 7, 8, 8 by 3. Teacher, am I right? Teacher? Teacher?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?